welcome back 2018. Yeah, she's loud, I know. Don't tell me, I already know. But there's gonna be some new things going on here. As you guys might have heard in my other video, if you haven't, once again, I'll be linking that down in the description down below. Check this out, y'all. Those are the bullets that I purchased. I haven't put in the top pieces on yet, but when I do, I will definitely show you guys. I actually have them in hand right now. I just haven't had the time to put them on. I'm still at work getting ready to pull out of the driveway, which is way over there. So once she warms up, I'm gonna go ahead and step out. And then after I clock out, I will definitely show you guys them with the bullets on it. You guys let me know what you guys think about it, or maybe should I change out the tires eventually. I have 12,000 miles before the warranty is done with these tires, so let me know. But before I go, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you guys some new revs in the car because she's cold now. I'm gonna let her get to half line before I do it because it's not good to do it on a cold engine. It's really not, so don't do it. You'll harm it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the muffler sound right now. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys those lug nuts with the bullets on them, so let's do it. So here's tire number 1. This is on the driver's side of the car. As you guys can tell, they kind of do stick out quite a bit, but it makes it look really cool. I don't like this style of a rim though. I kind of wish that I would have gotten something a little bit more decent to go along with these bullets, because the bullets are actually meant for the ones that are actually have a rim out here, and then it spokes, and then another rim on the other side. But these actually look very clean and very good. The spikes actually come off by twisting them this way, and if you want to put them back on, you can. It's easier, so that way you don't have to worry about them getting stolen, because there's a lot of space around here. So if you come around, the other side is the same exact thing. I did skip one because I only got 4 per pack, which I only got 2 when I went to that car meet. So I have to order some more, which I'm probably also going to order the blue ones and then give these out on a giveaway or sell them. I haven't really decided yet, but most likely probably give them away. I still got to do these ones here and also the other side, but they don't look so well on these rims. I just don't know. The rims are definitely a lot more sportier than racier. Difference. So this is my brother right here. If you guys can, leave him a subscribe. At the bottom I'll leave a link right here. He plays video games, and the games are...
That'd be The Crew, Diablo, and a bunch of other ones like Call of Duty.
And then his name is?
Dank Customs.
Dank Customs. I'll have the little pop-up right here for his channel as well, and that is with a K. So if you guys are not busy watching my channel, shoot over to his channel and give him some views as well. He's also a beginner YouTuber as well as me, so if we can get the YouTube love out and about, that'll be great. Better content for all you guys. And I just spilt my soda all over my hand. I don't even know why I'm holding a soda. But anyways, the ride is pretty much exactly the same thing. I'm also going to give you guys a little update on the car right now. I'm going to show you what I changed and what I kept the same. So what I have changed underneath the hood, as you guys can already see right here, I put a different cold air intake, which this one is 10 times better. I can definitely feel the throttle changing a lot more than the K&N filter. This one, I'll leave also the link down in the description down below of what this one is called. I don't have it in hands right now, but it mostly you find them on drift cars and rally cars and stuff from Switch and such. I still have to put the little shield around this part right here, but I have to redo this wire right here because I don't have faith in it actually staying on there this time. So I went ahead and rerouted this whole entire cord all the way back to the sub box because I had problems with that in the beginning, but now it is back to working, which is awesome. I also carbon fibered my back wing right here, which will be a different carbon fiber eventually, but for right now I just wanted to see what it would look like, and it actually makes the car look actually pretty damn good. I actually like it a lot. I just might carbon fiber the whole entire wing instead of wasting money on paint and getting paint over here. But I still have to do the side things right here, the side skirts, and also the back part is going to be changed eventually. The body is definitely what I'm going after right now. I want to change the body before I start doing performance. By the time the body is done, my warranty for my engine and everything will be done. So if I break something, it's on me, and I won't void my warranty, so it can't not get fixed. But in the meantime, guys, as far as everything that I've updated on, it's pretty much the K&N and the wing, and also the one thing is I did put HID lights right here. There's also one here as well. I'll be doing the fog lights. I don't want to go too ricey, so I'm probably not going to make them yellow. I'm probably going to do them the same color as my regular lights are, as well as the brights need to be changed out still because the brights still look yellow. Those have to be changed out. But eventually, these whole things will be smoked in a different frame as well because of the light that goes around it. I kind of want to make it look a little bit more better, as well as the backlights here. These are also going to be LED with a strip that goes all the way around the whole entire light. I already found one. I already know how much they are. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with this whole bumper here, should I go after the ST bumper or the RS bumper? I haven't quite decided, so I'm going to leave that up to you guys because it'll give me time also to think as well. I also want to hear from you guys too about the back side. Should I go with the RS back or the ST back? The RS has this little piece right here that's cut out for the muffler, as well as the RS as well. So you guys just let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so that was pretty much a good day. We're actually driving on the freeway right now, which I don't want to be on this lane. Let me know if you guys liked the video down in the comment section down below. Let me know your favorite car and your favorite 5 mods. I love you all, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!